all. I bet someone's already done this, but I wanted to give you a quick and easy way to schedule your Google Meet sessions, just like we've been scheduling other video chat sessions. So I went to my calendar in my waffle menu. So we've got the calendar right there. I've got Meet right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the day that I want to schedule something. And then Book Club 1. I'm actually going to go to the more options because I like the layout a little better. Instead of all day, I'm going to do it 2 o'clock, 2:30, and then I'm going to add conferencing. So I'm going to add Hangouts Meet. And right here, if I do the drop-down menu, I've got my meeting ID. So that's what I can copy and paste into my Schoology to share it with my students. Or what I can do is I can add my guests individually. So it's really up to you, whatever works better for you. But that is a quick and easy way to schedule your Google Meet sessions. And like I said, the Google ID or the meeting ID is right there. And this is a way to add guests as well. See you later.